What do monsters say? This was so amazing. Is this so amazing?
Welcome to JackJackPlays. Hey Jack, what are we gonna open up today? Let's open it.
You both open it by yourself.
I'm opening it by myself. Oh, come on, help me. Put your hands over here.
Put hands over there too. I'm gonna do this side.
Okay.
So big, guys. Wow! An excavator. Backhoe.
Backhoe?
A forklift.
Jack, what's the last one?
Bulldozer. And then put its blade up.
That forklift is digging in the ground.
Look at those holes. Force that get through those. He's trying to. He's plowing so the backhoe can go. The backhoe scooped up. And then where should we dump it? Right over here?
What's he doing?
Digging in sand. Found a rock
Found a rock.
in that mountain. That dirt. Then dumping. He broke his decoration that he made. Then he broke his decoration.
What's he doing, Jack?
Poking through here. Down. He dozed and there's some.
Oh, he's ripping. That's some good ripping.
And then he got dirty.
Yeah, I did.
I'm making a castle.
Molly. That's the gate into the construction site?
Yeah. It's windy.
Yeah. Where's he carrying it to?
And on top of here, then push that pipe. The pipe. And we're gonna cover it. We're covering it right now for the bulldozer's job. That big house is gonna be so big and giant.
What are we doing?
We're digging at the construction site. Looks like the sun's going down.
Well, that's good for the kids because then there's less shadows to block their view.
those are good animals.
Hey Jack, what happened to this bulldozer?
He fell.
Oh no, you better rescue him.
Use one to rescue him, then hit the job.
Get the job done.
Now he's gonna get him. Ground.
Oh, he forklifted him, huh?
And then he dumped him on the ground. I want him to go down. That's how we bulldoze. And how do we push the rest? The bulldoze that away. And then the backhoe can work. Use a bulldozer. He could get to that. He makes way for the bulldozer. Make way. He's making way. Here comes Captain the bulldozer. And the excavators. Tracks can't work on dirt. These two are works. They could keep going crazy. Ooh, this was so amazing. Is this so amazing? Bulldozer. Good. More avalanche. Bulldozer. She could. Oh, we need the excavator. Look, excavate this. Cool, big. Excavate with your...
Hey Jack, can you say bye to the kids?